Welcome back to Sketch Dictionary. Today we're talking about conversation slang, the word Gen Z uses when reacting, responding, or keeping a conversation interesting. These aren't full sentences, they're reactions. If you've ever heard someone say, spill the tea, and suddenly everyone leaned in, this video is for you. Let's start with the classic tea. Tea means gossip or interesting information, usually social, sometimes dramatic, sometimes harmless. If someone says, I have tea, what they're really saying is, I know something you're gonna wanna hear. Tea can be serious, or it can be extremely unnecessary. Either way, people are listening. Now, sip the tea. This one's more passive. When you sip the tea, you're not spreading the gossip. You're just watching it happen. You're observing, enjoying the moment, staying quiet. Someone else is talking. Drama is unfolding. You're just sipping. And the opposite. Spill the tea. This is an invitation. If someone says spill the tea, they're asking you to tell the whole story. Not the short version, not the polite version. They want details. It's playful but direct. Basically, don't hold back. I'm ready. Next up, period or period. This word's used to end the statement. It means that's final. No argument. I said what I said. Example, this is the best movie of the year. Period. The extra T in period just adds emphasis, more confidence, more attitude. It's not rude by default, it's just very decisive. And finally, FR, short for real. This one shows agreement or honesty. If someone says something you strongly relate to, you reply, for real. It's like saying, I agree, I'm serious, that's exactly how I feel. Sometimes people say it twice, for real, for real. That means they really mean it. So quick recap. Tea means gossip or info. Sip the tea means watching quietly. Spill the tea means tell everything. Period or period means end of discussion. FR means for real, I agree. These words don't move the conversation forward, they react to it. So, next time someone says, I've got tea, you'll know exactly what kind of conversation you're stepping into. I'll see you tomorrow with slang that's a little more chaotic and honestly, a lot funnier.